Hey everyone, we're excited to be launching multi-language transcription support for Fireflies. This has been one of the most heavily requested features. People have meetings in different languages. Today, we're launching 6 new languages that Fireflies will be able to transcribe meetings in, and we plan to roll out 10 more in the near future. All you have to do is before the start of your meeting, go to settings and change your default language. So here's the different languages. We have Spanish, French, German, Italian, Portuguese, and Dutch to start with. We also have different versions of English. So if you are a US English speaker or Australian English speaker where the accent is different, or British, or if you're a global English speaker, you can pick one of those options. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select Spanish, and then I'm going to go have a meeting in Spanish. And that's it. I've set it. Now let's go have Fireflies join the meeting as a note taker. And after the meeting, it should be transcribed in Spanish. I'm on Google Meet right now, waiting for the Fireflies AI note taker bot to join my meeting. Fireflies has requested to join. I'm going to let it in. And now I'm going to have my meeting in Spanish. Here I am in my Fireflies notebook. And it's been a few minutes since the meeting ended, and I can see it's been processed. I'm going to click into it to view that meeting. And here I can see the transcript. It's in Spanish, which is great. I can listen to it. I can click on different parts of the call. And yeah, that's all there is to it. And if you are going to have a different language, just make sure to go back to settings and then change it. We will also be rolling out an auto detect language feature in the near future. Right now, you'll have to pick the options and just make sure you have the right settings before the meeting starts. If you're speaking multiple different languages in the meeting, Fireflies will only be able to pick up one language. So right now, this technology works well when you are speaking one language consistently throughout the meeting.